Hi everybody and welcome back to Ryan Bolton's Cards with another box break here. We're going to be doing 1991 Tops. And here we go with this box is Chipper Jones rookie and hopefully maybe a Mark Whiten error card are the cards to get, or the big cards to get out of this stuff. So sit back, relax, enjoy yourself, crack open that beer or pour yourself a cup of coffee or tea or whatever you like to drink and watch this video. I have my Pepsi here, so I'm going to be joining Elisa Pepsi with you guys. So here we go with this box break. So before we really get started, hopefully you like it, subscribe, tell your friends, and check out my eBay page at GoPacker79 and check out the good stuff that's there. Alright, and check out my other videos that I have too. So here we go with the first pack. We are Chipper Jonesing and Mark Whiten hunting. Okay, here we go with the... Move this over with the first. Ooh, Ken Griffey Jr. Second card in. Nice one. That's always a nice looking Griffey. The pictures are good, but I don't know about the quality of the paper. I don't know, maybe it's just how dull. I don't know. The design's cool, just the paper material just doesn't feel great. Mac Newfield, first draft pick. So we got a section from the stars and stuff, and section for the rookies. I don't know, just maybe because I used to have tons of this stuff growing up and trying to go through all the cards or the backs of the cards, looking at numbers, trying to put the set together was painstakingly. But like I said, the designs are pretty good. The Jim Abbott. Willie Randolph. There's a Darryl Strawberry. Another Mac Newfield, first draft pick. Two of those so far. Pedro Guerrero at the end. Let's go with the third pack here. Gum actually doesn't look too bad, at least on that side, but the other side's all dimply. Carlos Braga, Mookie Wilson, Reggie Harris, Barry Larkin All-Star card. No Mac Newfield in that pack. Last time I opened up a box of this 91 Tops, on the back was a Mark Whiten. So I waited until the very end of the video to see what it was, and they even had the gum on it. You know, they took off the gum. There's a Ben McDonald, Andres Galarraga, and a Bob Wells auto All-Star. And I think it was like, I don't know, I want to say 4 to 8 packs into the videos when we saw it. So I was waiting to see that last card towards the end, until the end of the video. And it turned out to be just a regular one, no error card. I was like, oh well, because I'm sure it's very hard to find it. Another Barry Larkin All-Star. Seems like the print runs are pretty the same as Doug Drabek All-Star. And they're starting to see some of the same cards already. And we're only just a few packs in. This is Robin Ventura, Topps All-Star Rookie Cut card. Mike Marshall, Chris Sabo, Frank Viola, All-Star. Phil Plantier, that used to be a big one back in 91, 92, I think maybe 93 before we realized he sucked or something. I don't know. It's been a long, long time since then. But that was a big card at the time. There's Dennis Cook, actually kind of doing like a half smile. Nobody in that pack. Worth going to the side. Still only got 2 first-round pick cards, and those are both Mac Newfield. Hopefully we'll see a chipper soon. Lenny Dykstra, Bobby Bonilla, Brian McRae, Ellis Burks, Mickey Morandini. Alright. Let's see. Let's do one of the top packs on the back. See if that changes the card style a little bit. Or at least the card run. Ruben Sierra. Cards feel really thick. John Olerud being thrown at you. And for some reason, these cards just feel a little bit thicker than normal. Maybe it's just because I'm not used to opening up 91 Topps. I did open one pack of 91 Topps in the May edition of jampack.net. There's a John Smoltz. I opened that up earlier today. Kevin Mitchell. Doug Drabeck, Fred McGriff. They said these have some nice, good action shots on them. Too bad you can't still win that $1 million. I'm still surprised the gum is in pretty still decent order. Leon D. Shields Cup card. Dennis Martinez. There's another Phil Plantier. Bob Welsh, All-Star again. Like I said, a lot of runs. A lot of the same runs. Hopefully maybe get two Chipper Jones would be nice. I'll just be happy so far with just one. But if we get more than one, more the better. It's Rock Raines. Tim Raines. There's a Future Stars, Lance Dixon. Okay, now we're starting to get some different players, it looks like. I know there's Gary Sheffield. I know this is not the greatest stuff, but hopefully you still will enjoy the video. Mariano Duncan. There's a George Brett. Kelly Gruber, All-Star. Mike Blowers. Mel Stoudemire. Andre Dawson. And the big checklist. Oops, knocking stuff over almost. Like there's going to be a Carl Everett first draft picks. Tino Martinez. There's Carl Everett first draft pick. That's the second draft pick we've seen so far. Well, third, but ooh, there we go. There's the nice Frank Thomas. Probably the best card in the box. Almost. Big Frank Thomas fan. Or White Sox fan. Got that. So that one's probably definitely go on my PC. I don't think we even pulled that that first box that I opened. It was either earlier this month or last month. But it's in one of my videos. There's an Eddie Murray. Darren Lewis. Fred Lynn. It's a Larry Walker Cup card. It's weird, I don't remember ever seeing that card before. I think that might be the first time I've ever seen that card. Much as I opened up of this stuff back when I was little and going through all this stuff and just I don't think I've ever seen that. If I have, never really paid too close attention to it. Bob Wells, it's Greg Biggio, and he was a catcher. And Doc Gooden. And then Jack Morris. So far, no Chipper and no Mark Whiten yet. Hopefully that will change soon. Walt Weiss, flying through the air. Mike Greenwell, Johnny Ray, Jim Leland, Jay Buhner. And we got Rich Garcia. Garcia's Future Stars. And Dave Martinez. Last card in that pack. Jamie Moyer there on the back. So now it's in the middle. Got Ozzie Canseco. Jose Canseco's twin brother. There's the Jamie Moyer. Brian Downing, Ozzie Guillen, Luis Salazar, Paul Mark. We got Steve Finley in the back here. Gonna be in the middle, right in front of Dave Justice. Scott Erickson, Kurt Gibson, Lou Whitaker, Lance Johnson. There's a Tom Glavine. There's the Steve Finley. There's the David Justice Cup card. Chris Carpenter. There's a Sammy Sosa. And a Sid Bream. Alrighty, here we go with the next pack. Dwight Evans, Wally Joyner, or Hershiser. One more. Bob Green, Matt Williams All-Star, Marquise Grissom, and a Bobby Thigpen All-Star to end that pack. That looks like we're about halfway done with the box. And it's a 36 count box. So far, not too many draft picks though. Only 3 draft pick cards so far. Got Benito Santiago, David Segui, Charlie Hayes, Manny Lee, Barry Bonds, Moises Alou, Paul O'Neill, and Gary Gaetti. It was weird just listening to the radio on my way home from work today. And I listen to sports radio, so I'm constantly listening to sports. And of course, they actually were talking about Moises Alou. Because they were talking about what people have been doing in quarantine, about some guy who was drinking his own urine. It's Ken Hill. And they brought up the whole thing that Moises Alou pees on his hands. Did not know that. And there's Lee Smith. I guess, I don't know if he does it, if it's a ritual or what. But I guess Moises would pee on his hands. Granted, it is sterile, but I don't know. I wouldn't pee on my hands. Not on purpose, at least. That I know of. John Smiley, Rafael Palmeiro, and Wade Boggs. Dale Murphy also. Charlie Huff. Pedro Guerrero. Now, not many draft picks here. We did get so far some big stars with the Frank Thomas and Ken Griffey Jr. There's Darren Dalton, Carlton Fisk, Julio Franco, Mike Scioscia, Hal Morris, Cup card. There's a Ryan Sandberg record breaker. Another first round pick, Kurt Miller. Then we got Ozzie Smith. We got Eddie Murray, All-Star. Wilson Alvarez. Put them off to the side because I know he has like an error card. Jimmy Key, David Wells, Paul Molitor. We got John Shelby. Yeah, it was after he was a Dodger. Ramon Martinez. And we got that Future Stars, Rich again. Dave Martinez, Mike Marshall, Chris Sabo, and Frank Viola. Tim Belcher, Gary Carter, Damon Berryhill, and Mike Scioscia All-Star card, Brent Maine, Dave Winfield, and a Future Stars Brian Baines. No Chipper Jones yet, no Mark Whiten card yet. There's a Mark, but not Mark Whiten, that's Mark Portugal. It's the wrong Mark. Bob Walk, Tony Phillips, Gary Gaetti, Johnny Ray, and Jay Buhner to end it up. Alright, let's see. Looks like we got maybe 8 packs left after this one. Hopefully we get a chipper. There's Matt Williams, Junior Felix. The Ryan Sandberg's winging. Alan Trammell All-Star and Alan Trammell base. Back-to-back cards with Alan Trammell and Eric Davis. Here we go, the last final 8, called Elite 8. Elite 8, and here we go. Huey Brooks. At least we're seeing, there's Glenn Davis, Bobby Witt. We're seeing some new cards that we haven't seen yet, so maybe we might find somebody. They got Jack McDowell and Jose Canseco All-Star. So hopefully we might see a chipper because we're seeing these new cards. Alright, so there's Don Manley right here on the back. Greg Jeffries, Roberto Alomar, and then the Don Manley and Brett Saberhagen. Another checklist. So we're just definitely seeing some new cards we haven't seen yet. Got Dante Bichette, Jeff King, Vince Coleman, Ray Langford, oh, excuse me, guys, I had a sneeze. There's Andy Van Slyke, Randy Johnson, Mark Whiten at the very end, and it's not the error card. That one just snuck up on me like that. Excuse me, it's all these dust and stuff on these cards. Well, not really dust, but it's the gum. Rearrange a little bit here so I have some room and not so cluttered. Oh, yeah. Take a little sip here, hold on. Well, at least we hit a Mark Whiten. Too bad it's not the error card, so now we can hit a Chipper Jones. Would be nice. Dennis Eckersley, Joe Carter, Daryl Boston, Todd Hundley, Luis Piniona manager card. Alrighty. And after I finish the packs, I'll show you who's on the bottom of the box. There we go. Bobby Thigpen, David Holland, Dave Stewart, Travis Fryman, Chris Gwynn, Ricky Henderson All-Star. I haven't seen a draft pick in a while. 3 packs left, guys. Hopefully you guys are enjoying this video. There's a Greg Maddux. Well, I'm enjoying opening it because you never know what you're going to find. Kevin A. Peart, Gold Cup. Jose Gonzalez. There's a record breaker. Bobby Thigpen. Ken Howell. All right. 2 packs left, guys. Ron Gant right there. He's about to go into the middle. He's going to be monkey in the middle for now. Tommy Lasorda. Bill Swift. There's the Ron Gant. Up and off. Future stars, Brian Baines again. Barry Bonds again. And Moises Alou. And Paul O'Neill. Alright, last pack, guys. Come on, we need a Chipper Jones. We need a Chipper Jones. We need a Chipper Jones. Come on. Chipper. Brady Anderson. Ruben Sierra. Mike Scioscia All-Star. And then the end with Dave Winfield. I'm trying to get like glitter on my hands. But these packs don't have the glitter. Alright, well there's your packs. Found a Whiten, just wasn't the error card. Didn't find any Chipper. This is all the rookie cards that we got, or future stars, or draft picks, what you say. We got 4 draft picks in that box. 2 of them were Mac Winfield. Carl Everett. At least the Carl Everett's a decent one. And then we got some future stars. We got 2 and 2. Alright. At least we got a Ken Griffey Jr. and a Frank Thomas, though. Nothing too exciting. Other than those, so let's see who's on the bottom of the box. I don't even know who's on the bottom of the box. We got Nolan Ryan, Robin Yount, Jeff Reardon, and Juan Samuel are the 4 guys at the bottom of the box. Okay, guys. So there you go. Hopefully you like it. Subscribe, comment, hit the notifications. Gonna make a big announcement coming up pretty soon. And hopefully you guys will stay tuned for that. And let me know what you thought of the video. Again, check my eBay page at GoPackers79. And again, have a great day or great night. Until next time, cheers. Bye.